every Beilite breaker is built for power, but it's here on site where that power truly comes alive. This is the installation of the Beilite BLTB245, a heavy-duty hydraulic breaker designed for large excavators and the toughest rock conditions. Precision fitting ensures that every connection, from hydraulic hoses to the main pin, transfers full power with less loss. Once connected, the hammer becomes one with the machine, every strike powered by the excavator's hydraulic pulse. The BLTB245 delivers massive impact energy, combining raw strength with Beilite's precision-built durability. For our clients, performance isn't a claim, it's something they can see, hear, and trust. Beilite BLTB245, engineered for power, proven in the field. Follow our channel for more real-world installations and field tests from Beilite.